Zagalan TV, the #1 TV. You see, pray.
Sucking again and again and again and again. Me not stop suck wood. Me not stop suck my man wood. Me go suck him wood till him dry and look like Tales from the Crypt. Alright, sir. Oh, that easy, you know. Go on alone, you know. You can't leave me alone in Jesus' name. Eh? No, I not swallow. I not do that one day. My stomach not so strong. I not swallow. Where I stand up, I can't stand up, my foot them swell. Foot them and hurt me. Yeah, man, I'm bad on the deep throat. Bad on the deep. Yeah, the baddest thing. 2 tons to me, have, you know. I forget. When they make that out, they feel them 2 tons, they have problem. Everybody, are you pregnant? Are you pregnant? Oh, no, so no. Just chill, no, man. Just chill, man. No, I don't have any kids. So what baby fish have to do with me? What you mean your dreams see baby fish? So if baby fish have to do with me? Why? It's not easy, you know? We have some different set of species. And I me tell you no. And I me tell you let's say a people attack. I not tell you nothing, I know you know, I know me. Not tell you nothing, a people attack. I know me not come out and say yes I am pregnant. I know me not come out and tell nobody say yes I am pregnant. I know me not come out and tell nobody who me I breed for. See? So a people attack where them feel for talk. I guess I them I live my life. If I want a diaper cake, I don't want a diaper cake. Why you want me to stand up? No man, I can't stand up, I'm tired. I want to stop calling the people them name. I want to tell you this. Me and Dexta have a song. Zine, we have a song together. Me and Dexta daps not there. Zine, me and Dexta daps not in a relationship. We not in we are not even friends. Yeah, straight. We are not even friends. We're just a musician, co-workers. That's it. Straight up. La boss, I'm a co-worker too. La boss, I'm a co-worker. La boss, I'm a G. I'm a charge. So una stop give me man. Una just give me beer man. Why una give me so much man? And look how my body little. I can't take so much body. I can't take so much body. That's why I do with man. I will have whole heap of woman. So my body can get a break. So my whole can get a break sometime. I too old them. Yeah, I'm wearing merchandise because him give to me. He's a musician and I'm a co-worker, so why not wear my co-worker merchandise? So no stop that, man.
Full of 21.
Hey, me eat to the like pies, you know. God know me eat to the like pies. So I can't have a serious conversation with you know. We can't have a serious conversation with you know. Yo, me I gotta stop that. I gotta stop in a dealings, you know. Cause una crisis, you know. Una crisis. Me I gotta stop in a conversation with you know. Cause una not take nothing in a life serious. Me I tell them the truth. Me I tell them, well, you say get some sweets. Alright, somebody say get some sweets. Let me get some sweets. Oh, I feel big. I get some sweets. I have some Starburst in the car. Let us say for sunsets, but it was on the outer order. When I really think about it. On the outer order. That's why you really ask me for sunsets, baby. That is disrespectful. When I go on my Instagram, go stroll. When I not have to ask me if I'm pregnant in the car. If somebody pregnant, you go see. So, I don't see why everybody asks me if I'm pregnant. When I listen to mix up food, I don't know, so put at the center and mix up. Hey! Somebody say I intense on the father. You don't say no altar order. Bubblegum. Pinky, I don't remember them bubblegum here. You Pinky? Who say I chase with me? Jesus Christ. Who this? Come off of my page, please. And stop calling the people them name. Shunley. 1993. Stop calling people them name. Uno for stop them something there. Uno for stop them something there and behave on yourself. So I chase and the baby father. Why rush you to mix up? You to mix up. Uno mix up, you know. Be safe in the pandemic. Okay, I will. Hey, anybody when him shouldn't let me eat you. Come on from a page. Alright. Who said that? Gane. If you type one more something, I'm gonna block you. If you type one more something, I'm gonna block you. Zeus official. We are come over this blood clot. We can't manage you know. Look boy, we can't manage you know. Me I try to have a normal conversation with you know and it now work.